list of things that we kind of shy away from in life. My big thing about being mentally strong is you have to pick those things you don't want to do and start to check them off the box, man. It's so easy just to go to that nice comfort zone, the path of least resistance, so then your mind starts to get more and more weak, weaker and weaker and weaker. And you wonder, why the fuck am I not getting tougher? Because you're choosing this nice, happy path with nice, comfortable beds and all sort of shit over here on this side. Over here is that side that we fear. You gotta make that fear list over here, start to conquer it, start to overcome it, start to callous your mind, dig into all these different things, and that's how you do it, man.
You really need to create a situation where you sink or swim, and you'll learn how to swim. You've got to place yourself in the midst of a storm, and it's got to be a self-created storm. Otherwise, most people have to wait till the shit comes crumbling down before they take action in life. I'm inviting you to create a shitstorm for yourself so that you will be motivated by the wolf crying at the door, by the dog nipping at your ass, by the fire under your ass. All right, dude? So there's no nice way to do this, right? Rip the fucking Band-Aid off. Throw yourself off the cliff and learn how to fly on the way down.
We all look for toughness. We all want it, but we look for it in a comfortable environment. I was trying to look for it everywhere. The only way you find it is to drown yourself in a position where you're just out of sorts, where you can't swim and you're drowning. You're drowning in life. But you say, you know what, man? Fuck that. I'm gonna figure out how to fucking backstroke or fucking something. The only way, I believe, this is my experience in life, the only way you're ever going to get to the other side of this journey is you have got to suffer to grow. To grow, you must suffer.
Your mind has to be stronger than your feelings. Your mind has to be stronger than your feelings. Think about every poor decision you've made in your life. There was more emotion that was involved in it than there was mine. Every single one of them. Think about it. Really does. Your feelings keep you in bed. Your mind tells you, get up. Think about it. Every single day, your mind is one that tells you, get up. And your feelings like, an extra 30 minutes, just roll with it. Don't worry about it. Your mind has to be stronger than your feelings.
Those days when I'm tired or worn out or just basically sick of the grind. What do I do on those days? I go anyways. I get it done, even if I'm just going through the motions. I go through the motions. I don't really want to work out. I work out. Don't really want to get up and get out of bed. I get up and get out of bed. Don't give in to the immediate gratification that is whispering in your ear. Shut that down. Do not listen to that little voice. Instead, go through the motions. Lift the weights, sprint the hill, work on the project, get out of bed. And by simply going through the motions, you overcame that path. And you stayed on the righteous path, the disciplined path. You stayed on the war path. Which is right where you know